I kind of think of three big categories basically of opportunity, and AI is a part of all of them. It's not one of the categories, right? So one is the drafting experience, like as the person who's originating the document, right? How does that work? Two is the feedback and review and collaboration process. You want to get some information from other people before you ship it and get sort of buy-in potentially or approval. And then the third category is kind of a layer almost beneath both of those, which is like, I think there's a huge opportunity to make something that's more of a platform and more extensible and plug-inable. This is something that Figma has done incredibly well. And technically Google Docs has like an API and plugins and all that kind of stuff, but it's very underdeveloped. And I also think that the opportunity from plugins is much greater, 10 to 100 times greater in a world where these large language models exist, because you could imagine there's a whole bunch of different tests or checks or types of generators or whatever that you might want to perform that, any one company is probably not going to invent all of them. Whereas, what would a plugin do at Google Docs in a world without this kind of AI? There's some, you can imagine some stuff, there's some plugins. It's less obvious why there's a huge need for it. Also on the platform side, just like integrating with the CMS, right? Like the integration now is copy paste, and it's very error prone. There's lots of formatting errors and time spent fixing them that I think can be eliminated.